I'm going to show you the best 5 tips for maximizing AdSense revenue on Google Sites. The first one, strategic ad placement. You need to place ads in highly visible areas such as above the fold, within content, and at the end of articles. Use the recommended ad size like 336 by 280 or 300 by 25 and also 728 by 90 for optimal performance. The second one, optimize content for targeted keywords. You need to create high quality SEO optimized content targeting search keywords with CPC or cost per click. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify profitable keywords. You can also use ChatGPT as well if you'd like. The third one, implement auto ads smartly. Enable Google Auto Ads to let AdSense automatically place ads in optimal location. However, review and adjust settings to avoid clutter and maintain a good user experience. Fourth one, responsive ad units. Ensure that your ad units are responsive so they adjust seamlessly to different screen sizes, maximizing viewability on mobile devices. Fifth and final one, you need to monitor and adjust ad performance. Regularly analyze your AdSense report to identify high-performing ad units and pages, adjust placement, size, and formats based on CTR or click-through rates and RPM.